Hi, and welcome to the Scrapping Studio. My name is Tracy Walker, Creative Memories Advisor in Des Moines, Iowa, and welcome to episode 2. This will be a 4-part series. We're working our way through the project Playbook Your Own Way. And I have gone through, and if you didn't see episode 1, I'll link it below. For this, it's got highlighted like tips and directions, and um so in using the custom cutting system and the large circle with the red blades, and you're cutting on the inside and the outside. So it's like you just hold it down, do the outside, then hold it down and do the inside without moving it on the teal paper. So then you've got all these circles. Whew, the wind just kicked up. We're supposed to have high wind warnings today, which, ugh, do not envy anybody who flies on these days. So then we're gonna do the left side first. So the left side is just a white, and then yeah, this is gonna go here. So what I'm gonna do is get my tape runner out, and then what I try to do is just match the one corner, and then kind of let it lay itself down, because it kind of just lays itself down once you get one corner lined up. So, and then I could go back and put some tape right in there. Go from there. And one more. There we go. All right, so we got that one. So now we're gonna need, so I have this guy in there and this guy like that. So let's do this one next. It's gonna go around. There we go. Wow, that wind just really picked up all of a sudden. Wondered, I got the notice about the high wind warning, but didn't know it was like when it was gonna hit. And of course, I have to drive somewhere this afternoon. Oh well, it'll be fine. Okay. Oh, I guess one thing to pay attention to is like, so this is, keep this the same direction as the outside. All right. So we've got that. And then this is the navy blue, which was cut with the new wave border maker punch. So I love it because it's very, very versatile. It's not something that is very like specific to seasons or events or anything like that. So this is just going to go right in the middle. So I'm going to line up. Let's see. There we go. Got that. Right. And then I'm going to need on the white side, I need 3 of these. And I'm going to need I got my little container. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to need 5. I'm going to need 3 now, but then I'll need the rest later. So I'll get these on here. And these are photo placeholders. So you could just cut your photos to go right on top of them, or you can, best way to get, since I'm using Repo, is use your multi-purpose tool to take those off. All right. Well, you got that pretty, and that all crooked. All right, and that means this one's the one that's crooked. Alrighty. For that, what I love about this new collection is just the, I don't know, it's got bright colors, but then it's got muted at the same time. And I think that's just so cool. Of course, one of my like leftover piles just fell. That's very odd. I must have vibrated the table just right for that. I made some pages, but I'm out of embellishments, so I'm waiting for those. All right. So this comfort, let's see here. All right. And this is going to be a November. Looks like that's kind of down there like that. All right. Get that in the trash. So, and I need that over there for now. This is the other side. I need to find the rest of the cards. All right. So this is not it. Oh, yep. This is it. Looks like it has this behind it. This is my best guess. This might need a little bit trimmed off because I can see just a tiny bit. There we go. Of that. So it looks like, yeah, that. And then the question is how far does it need to tuck underneath here? Like, should I cut it in half? Nah, no, we'll just do it this way. Here. Oh, and then get this underneath here. I'm trying to see how close it is. Okay. Got a little bit more tape there. All right, so November vibes. And we'll take some of the sticker off. These big ones take a lot more. All right. Yeah. Oops. A little bit more. It's okay. All right, where is that one? All right. All right, let's put that extra over there. And this doesn't, you can just peel all these off because it doesn't interfere with any other photos. Let's see here. There we go. And that's it for this side. All right, I'm going to put this aside for a minute and clear my spot so we can do this side. All right, so this side is, so this one goes on. So direction, having it go the same direction as the other one, and just line it up in the middle. And then this side, this one doesn't have a direction to it. So we'll do that. And then do the MAC cards. I don't need that one. All right. Get this on there. What I do is I will just lay the papers next to each other and then kind of go. Oops. Nope, nothing stuck to it. All right, so this is, I'm going to line this up too. A little bit down. And there we go. Picked up some pieces for my next layout. All right. Here we go. All right. Now we need this guy, and this is from Embellishment Pack, and they all pretty much look similar to this. Okay. So let's see what we got left. We got Thanksgiving, and that looks like that goes on top in the center. Like that, and then we've got this guy, and I'm gonna use where is up there. We got these little thinner foam squares that I'll just use for that. All right. All right. So this kind of goes up above here at the the VI. There we go. All right. So then this guy goes like that, but I don't need foam on all of it. Just on, oops. There we go. And then this goes, let's do that. All right, got that. And then this guy is extra. It's kind of teeny tiny, so we put them in the bag. There we go. All right, that is done. Get rid of the excess here. And then bring in the other side for November. Perfect for Thanksgiving. Now, if you have more pictures, there is always room to add some more pictures here at the bottom if you wanted to. And you could, adjust it where it is, I was thinking, like you could have photos going down here, down there, that kind of stuff. So if you have more that you want to add, you can, then just the 5 for that. So, and this was layout number 2 from the Project Playbook for Your Own Way, which is the collection of the year for creative memories. Last year was noteworthy, and the year before was This Life, which was very primary colored. So I think this one is a good mix of bright and dark colors. I think it very, oh my gosh, excuse me, just excellent contrasting. So, well, thanks again for joining me for this episode of the Scrapping Studio. To connect with me, I'll put all my information in the description of my social media, how to attend my events, those types of things. And thank you. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. If you do not already subscribe to my channel, just hit that subscribe button and you'll get notified when new videos are released. I do have a video that comes out every Sunday. It's called Sketch Sunday, and we work through one of the Creative Memory sketchbooks. So be sure to turn in to that. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.